Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make the mango float. This is a delicious Filipino dessert. Please stay tuned. And here are the ingredients. 3 mango slices, 1 box of graham crackers, 1 can of condensed milk, and 16 ounces of whipped cream. The first thing you need to do is whip the cream until it becomes a little bit thick. And this will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's reached this consistency, now you can stop. Now is a good time to add the 1 can of condensed milk. After you add the condensed milk, now let's take a spatula and mix it well with the whipped cream. After we mix the condensed milk well into the whipped cream, now it's a good time to assemble our cake. In a 12 by 4 pan, we will start layering the cake. The first layer is the graham cracker. All we need to do is layer until all the empty space is covered. After we layer all of our graham crackers, now it's time to add in the whipping cream with condensed milk. Now let's add in our thinly sliced mango. You can lay them as how you like, but make sure most of the space are covered. Once you finish laying the mango, now let's start the layering again of the graham crackers. And you will continue to layer the graham crackers, the whipping cream, and the mango until reach 3 layers or as many layers you would like. This will be our last layer of graham cracker, whipping cream, and mangoes. Our mango float is done, guys. It has 3 layers of delicious graham crackers, whipping cream, and mangoes. Now let's put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour so the graham cracker will soak all of the cream, and then we move into the freezer for overnight. After it's been in the freezer for about 8 hours, our cake should look something like this. This cake is so easy and delicious. I hope you guys have a chance to make it. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.